So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your iPhone battery life is going down like crazy. So if you notice that I'm at 15%, in like 2 seconds, this is probably going to go down to 14 or 10%, and it can randomly go down and it can randomly go up. The reason and the main way to go and fix this problem that you might be having is because your particular iPhone's battery health may be really poor. Now, if it's a brand new iPhone you bought, then that's one thing. But if it's an old iPhone like this iPhone 10, what I'd recommend doing is making your way over into your settings application, just like this. And what I'd recommend doing here is scrolling down until you see this general option. Actually, don't even click there. Click on battery. So what you want to do is you want to click on battery, which is right here, and you're going to come into this next panel. What you want to do here is you want to go and click on battery health and charging, which is right here at this particular panel. Now, when you come here, you're going to see this particular number right here, which says maximum capacity. Now, this is a very important thing, and this is a very important number, because right here, you're going to see 74%. This is a very, very big thing to keep in mind, because 74% is very poor. If you open up your particular iPhone battery health right here, and if you see that it's like 74% like mine, or if it's higher or lower, if it's less than 80, that might mean that it's time to go and get your iPhone battery replaced. So that's a very, very important thing to keep in mind here, because you don't want to go ahead and have an iPhone and have it already outdated or have it having some issues there. So the very first thing I'd recommend doing here is just making sure that you're keeping your iPhone battery health up. So if it's this low, I would recommend actually just replacing the battery, send it into Apple, and have them fix it. Now, if we take a look at my battery life, it's still at 15%, which is actually pretty incredible. But literally 5 minutes ago, it was at 20-something percent. So that's the number one reason to fix it. The number one way to fix it is to replace the battery. You can also try going through and trying to update your iPhone, which it may not fix it, but it's still worth a shot. You can make your way over into your settings app of your iPhone, go down to general, click on software update. And if it's a brand new iPhone, sometimes updating it can sometimes fix it. So just another thing to keep in mind as well. You can try rebooting your iPhone as well, but those are the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.